everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle SS big black 454 car, guys, finished in tuxedo black. I love the Cortez silver stripes on the hood, black vinyl interior, healthy 454 underneath the hood, cammed up, plenty of power, 400 trans. It's got a 12 bolt rear end with a 323 limited slip, tubular control arms in the rear. Fun car to drive, guys. This thing, I mean, it just breaks the tires loose at 35-40 miles an hour. I apologize, I'm freezing to death. It's about 17 degrees out here right now. It is windy, just wicked cold. It's also spitting snow, so as you're going to see, there's little snowflakes all over the car. It's just welcome to Michigan right now. This is winter in Michigan. Great car, though. Car's out of Tennessee. It is a complete frame-off restoration. Matter of fact, we've got some pictures in the trunk of when the car was completely torn apart. Not a whole lot to really nitpick. There's a couple little touch-up marks on it. You can see it's got the newer style halogen headlights on it. There's only 3,300 miles on the car since the resto was done. Pretty car, again. Love those Cortez silver stripes. Very unique, very different. That's what I liked about it. Glass is nice. The stainless is nice. It's got a Dakota digital dash inside, which is pretty cool. Again, sorry about the snowflakes. Again, if you see them, that's all that is. It's just little snowflakes on the car. It's got a custom sound system, as you can see, little 6x9s in the rear. Very cool car. Sorry, that's just a little dust in there, guys. Again, good, solid, straight Tennessee body. You can see it's nice and flat down the sides. Those are 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrust. All new rubber all the way around it. It's got 2.5 inch Flowmaster dual exhaust, so it's got a good sound to it. Man, it is cold today, guys. That wind is just cutting through me. Again, complete frame-off car. We got some pictures of the undercarriage of the car. Very nicely done. Front disc brakes. Sorry if the camera shakes, man. That wind is rough. Again, healthy 454 underneath the hood. Quick fuel, dual feed 4-barrel. Edelbrock RPM Air Gap aluminum intakes, got Hedman headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got the MSD 6AL box with a Pro Billet distributor on it. It's got March aluminum pulleys and brackets, 400 automatic trans. It's got a high volume aluminum water pump. It's got a regular fan as well as an electric fan. This car could, should stay nice and cool. Nice car. New mirrors, a little slight scratches in that front glass. The rest of it's really nice. Door handles have been replaced. New door rubbers. It is wicked cold. Doggone it. New carpet. Bucket seats, console. It's got the sports steering wheel. Again, it's got the Dakota digital dash in it. Aftermarket sound system, again, 2.5-inch Flowmaster dual exhaust, 12-bolt 323, tubular control arms in the rear. It's also got that aluminum rear end cover. Again, that's just snow, guys. Factory jack was spare. Again, all these, there's a bunch of photos that actually go, you can see the car actually with the frame right off the car. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. It's a good car, man. Got it up in the air on the hoist. Got some good pictures of the bottom for you. See that aluminum rear end cover, those Flowmasters. Car's got a real good sound to it. Sorry, I'm videoing with my left hand here. The right hand is just a little too doggone cold. A little touch-up mark there. Seats are nice, they've been repadded. Console's nice in there. An all new Dakota dash. That's a horn button underneath. There's a the electric fan switches underneath the dash too. Yeah, good sounding big block, guys. A little rev, Jordan. Good sounding big block, guys. Gets its R's quick. Like I say, it'll break those tires loose. Uh, 3345 on the odometer. Tach works. All your gauges work. Car just hits, man. Radio works. Yep, it's powered up. Yep. Radio works. Blower motor does work, guys. Your horn's underneath the dash, Jordy. Doors fit nice. Wipers are a little loose there. We'll have to check that. I think the little thing came off. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Or as always, guys, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.